What's up guys, in this video I am going to review the Syma X5C. Notably, this is my best value drone. To begin with, if you're looking to purchase your very first drone and want it at a very reasonable price, you cannot go wrong with the $35 Syma X5C. It contains a 6-axis gyro stabilization system, which ensures maximum stability during flights. Correspondingly, the Syma X5C is equipped with a 720p HD camera and comes with a 4GB micro SD card for storage. In addition, it runs on a 3.7V 500 mAh Mah Li-poly battery that lasts 7 to 10 minutes. Conversely, a full charge takes about 90 to 100 minutes to complete. On the positive side, the Syma X5C sports a 2.4 remote control and uses spread spectrum technology to expand its distance and anti-interference technology. Furthermore, the Syma X5C, you can perform flips, take videos, or snap photos with a push of a button. Uniquely, it is wind resistant and can easily be flown indoors and outdoors. Not to mention, if you happen to break something, all the parts are available to order with detailed instructions for easy repairs. Additionally, the Syma X5C comes with one remote control, one USB charging cable, 4 rotating blades, 2 landing skids, 1 battery, and a user manual. In conclusion, if you're looking for a basic low-budget drone and you're interested in aerial photography on the cheap, I would highly recommend the Syma X5C. Ultimately, the lowest price you can buy the Syma X5C is at Amazon.com for $35. If you are interested in purchasing this product or any other product on Amazon.com, please consider using my affiliate links. I will now select the $10 Amazon gift card winner for the last video, Best Gaming Laptops.